Where does the name for the Afon Gwenfro come from? So today I'm in Wrexham, and this river behind me is the main river that flows through Wrexham, and it's called the Afon Gwenfro. Let's get into the name. So let's have a look at the name. Now, an Avon is a river, and it's from the Brythonic word awon, from Proto-Celtic abu, which also meant a river. And whilst in Welsh it's the normal word for river, it can also be found across Britain, with 5 of them in England alone. One in Bristol, one in Warwickshire, one in Hampshire, the Little Avon, also in Bristol, and the Devon Avon, which is sometimes called the Aune. Then we have Gwen, which is the feminine form, that is, the form used with female nouns, of Gwyn, which means white or bright. It's inherited into Welsh from Brythonic Gwyn, from Proto-Celtic Windos. And then we have Vro, the soft mutated form of Bro, which means an area or a boundary. That itself is from Middle Welsh Bro, from Brythonic Brog, from Proto-Celtic Mrogis, and that makes it distantly related to the Old Irish word mrúchie, which meant a borderland, and really distantly to the English word march, as in the marches, as in a border. The river starts at a number of places around Bwlch Gwyn, and flows east before being joined by some other small streams, and it goes under the city centre, underneath the aptly named Brook Street. And from there it flows down behind me to where it meets the larger Afon Clywedog near Kings Mills. So the name literally means the bright boundary. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.